Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a comic strip in Canva. First, go to shapes, and I'm also going to add in a border here. Then I'm going to use fun and bright pastel colors to use for the background. I'm also just going to adjust the border a little bit so it's not that thick. You can make like 3 and 3, but for today I'm just going to make 2 and 2. Just going to make this a little bit smaller, and I'll copy and paste that and place it down here. Then I'm just going to use different colors for each of them. Maybe I'll do like an orange one instead. I like to include pink. So, okay. Then you're going to go to elements and you're going to just search for characters in graphics. And you can use these ones here. And just place them on each one. Oh my god, I actually got the color right for some reasons. You can also like make them bigger than the space here and just mask it. Oh, I think you need to okay, never mind. And then I'll place this one. Then you can add in some faces as well on it, like these ones maybe. On each of the characters, just pick the ones that you like. Maybe go here and see more like this, or you can even view their collection so that the faces are similar. I'll do sad. Oh, I should probably do that one sad because it's blue. Oops. And I'll do this one mad. Then you're just going to add in your text now. You can go to add text box here, and I'm just going to name the emotions. You can type in more stuff than me, but this is just an example. You can even go and search for comic fonts here. Like that, sad, love, I don't know. Happy and angry. And that is it. You can do other comic strips if you like to. This is just an example. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.